Kakauwi lang namin from caravan vacation, tapos ito agad ang sumalubong sa amin.
Oh my God! Ito naman yung car namin, guys. Oh my God!
Makakauwi pa kaya kami nito?
Nasa 27, 1350. Yeah. So how much?
From caravan life, back to normal life na naman. Pero ganito talaga ang totoong buhay dito sa Australia.
Philippines. Philippines! That's why. Handsome, oh. It's very handsome, guys. Pacha, happy birthday!
Welcome to Ben Fam. Kwento ng buhay, masaya magulo, pero puno ng kulay dito sa Australia. Sama-sama kami sa bawat araw, kaibahagi rin. Sige, Ben Fam, tara na makiride. Kwento namin, kwento mo rin worldwide. Cooking, parenting, caravan plans, this is a journey. We're the Ben Fam.
Good morning everyone. So ayan, it's another day, another morning. So ayan, dito na tayo sa bahay. We are done our vacation summer getaway for 2026 with the BEM Fam. So tapos na tayo doon sa Caravan Park in the, what is one? In the Treasure Island in RMA in Queensland. So andito na pala tayo, guys. So dito muna nilagay ni Mr. yung caravan natin. So ngayon yung gagawin natin is marami na naman tayong gagawin today. Rusty na, no? Dito si Rusty. Rusty, good morning. So yun nga, guys, dito na tayo sa bahay. So we arrived safe last night. So ayan si Rusty. So dinala pala namin si Rusty sa ating vacation. Ayan. So kumusta naman yung ano natin, guys, bakasyon? Okay naman yung bakasyon. Sobrang nakakawala ng away from city. Iba talaga pag may caravan. Kasi oy, Rusty, na. Sige. So marami tayong gagawin. Maglalaba tayo ngayon kasi yun nga, palagi umuulan doon sa Caravan Park recently. Na Rusty, tingnan mo si Rusty, guys. Oh, feel niya. So kunin natin tong mga labahan. So dyan lang kayo, guys, kasi marami tayong mga gagawin today. So andito tayo ngayon sa loob ng caravan. So ito yung sitwasyon ng ating caravan, guys. Ayan, napaka-messy pa. Pasensya na yan, guys. Ayan. Tapos kukunin ko yung mga 10 cents na pinag-anuhan natin doon sa caravan park. Sayang kasi yung mga 10 cents, mga recycling. So ayan, dami yung. So dito muna kayo, guys, kasi wala tayong magagawang trabaho pag may kamera. Ayan.
Pagkatapos ng caravan trip, hindi pa tapos ang trabaho. Dito sa Australia, karamihan may sariling caravan space sa bahay. Pero kailangan marunong ka rin mag-park at gumamit ng tamang tools. First time gamitin ni Mr. itong tools na to, kaya medyo nanibago siya. Hindi biro ang caravan. Mabigat at kailangan maingat.
You hold like this. They're going in. They gonna.
Guna? Out, Rusty. Not tight yet.
Come here. Let's see.
Down there? Down na.
Dinala ko rin lahat ng recyclables namin galing caravan park. Sayang kasi dito sa Australia may recycling machines na pwede mong ibalik ang bottles. Pero busy si daddy kaya next time na namin dadalhin.
It's full. Hello, Kabempam! Good morning and happy Friday from the Bempam. So today guys, we are here now in the shopping center in Australia. So today is 2026. So the Bemp kids boys doing a haircut. So this is their haircut now guys. So we will see.
You got this?
So we will see how much the haircut here guys in Australia. How much the haircut only, haircut for the boys. The girls is different price. So dito kami usually nag-haircut sa Basil. Ayan guys. So dito tayo, welcome!
Gikan sa trabaho, pahulay sa kalibutan, bakbak na andam na ta, biyahe na putanan, kau ba ng tao wala.
Next week, back to school na ulit ang mga bata. Kaya before matapos ang holiday, kailangan fresh haircut. First time ni Mickey magpa-beauty parlor. Daddy Street daw. Medyo mahal pero minsan lang naman. Worth it naman sa saya niya.
Suroy na uban ta,
Philippines! Okay, go na!
Like more of like a blondie streaks that happen through that thing, yeah.
Because,
Yeah, I'll show you what I mean.
maybe, show daddy, show.
Hold this one, your phone.
Do you wanna? Oh, my beautiful girl, smile. Nice, handsome, huh? Ayun, candy like a baby.
Mama, they don't highlight
Yeah, highlights takes 2 hours.
hours.
Sun guys, Lucas, no, after, she's not finished. Please, Lucas, for mommy. Oh, my boy is very handsome, guys. Looky, Lucas. This is mommy, babe. Show mommy, babe. Just wait, just wait, just wait. Oh, handsome, oh. Oh. God. Smile properly, son, girl. Smile. I see the back, love. Oh, very nice.
Here we go now.
Just wait. We need to pay. Wait for daddy.
Filipino food road trips one night.
We go around this way.
Oh,
like it?
beautiful. Ah! Adam wants highlights also.
See, when I say highlights, that's what happens.
Angelo. Di, Angelo.
Better be shut up.
Guys, I'm jealous,
Yeah,
guys.
you jealous of me, the heck of boy.
Ah, my girl. Oh.
What Darius man? Not Michaela, me.
Handsome also my son. Uy. Oh, ang ganda talaga guys pa sa Australia, guys. Mahal siya, pero worth it naman yung binayaran natin, guys.
Talk. Let's go.
Ah, this is the park, oh. We're going back home, yeah? Hey, guys.
Is that the one?
Thank you, Daddy. Did you say thank you to Daddy?
Wow.
Huh?
Thank you, Dad.
Mickey, thank you, Daddy.
There's only once a year.
Yeah. Worth it, love. Worth it. Then maybe after 2 years, can you do that to me then?
I give her yours. You didn't do it properly.
My husband man, guys.
I give her to do
No,
highlights.
that's his fault. He don't
No,
go.
no,
He don't
no.
come
She
with
got
me.
herself.
I want you
Not
come
my
with me.
fault.
That's why gusto ko guys na andyan yung mister ko kasi.
I told her
makikita
get
ko.
highlights then.
Yeah.
But I look at when she come back.
I said
where's the highlights?
No, I said highlights, but I don't know what's
No.
happened.
No.
I don't like in the Philippines, guys. Sorry. The best, worth it naman, expensive here, but worth it.
Yeah, you do it like for her once a year haircuts. I said okay. The boys might get more Mickey.
Like that lang kay.
The boys might get more
In the
haircuts.
hair, yeah.
But
Guwapa, guys.
you
Oh.
have one. See?
Oh, how much you pay? 200?
250.
Beautiful.
Not cheap,
Yeah.
but once a year.
250, how much in
These are-
peso?
Dad, he's walking.
Lucas, careful. Stay there.
It's probably 10,000 pesos.
So for this, ano guys, highlights, 10,250.
Filipino food,
Come on,
road
Lucas, no, no,
trips,
son.
and life. Simple but good. Welcome to Benfan. This is our life.
Now let's go to Kmart.
Lucky kid, sabing daddy.
You like it? I'm very happy you like it.
Oh, when I see the ano, very
Yeah, I
nice.
told you the highlight. I like that. It's a balayage.
Yeah. Balayage?
Balayage highlight.
And the blower was hurting my ears.
It's okay. It's normal, love. I like it. Don't put lagi in the ears, love. Look, it's like that lang, son, girl.
It's uncomfortable.
Yeah, you're not comfortable, but like that. I always brush your hair, eh? Huh?
Where are we going?
Kmart.
Yeah, in Kmart.
scam,
You were looking.
Ah.
Someone's came Paul, I
So
think.
dito kami ngayon guys sa Kmart. Looking.
Why do they want that?
Beautiful.
Why would you do that?
The boys are handsome.
Ah, yeah, the mixer in.
Sir.
You know what I mean?
Okay, Lucas.
See, now you have a nice hair again. Also, you always have nice hair, Mick.
Very nice. You should have a nice hair.
All of you have
The
nice
people
hair.
they said, customer.
Follow me, Dad.
You also handsome. Everyone here handsome and
Oh,
beautiful.
we are very lucky having a husband and daddy. Thank you, my husband.
I'm not getting Easter bunny.
Guys, kang Mickey is 250. So worth it
But
naman.
once a year,
Yeah,
one.
worth it naman guys kasi yung sa akin
Because you
sa
guys that get haircut all the time.
yeah, yung sa akin kasi nag-ano ko balyads. Tapos magkano yung nabayaran sa 3,000. Pero yung
Mickey.
iba yung ano, pangit yung ano guys.
Kinabukasan, birthday naman ng aking mother-in-law. Dito sa Australia, madalas simple lang ang celebration. Family lang, pagkain, kwentuhan, hindi kailangang ingrande, basta sama-sama.
Is everywhere.
And a one, and a two, and a three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Darius. Happy birthday, dear Bacha. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hooray! Stolat, stolat, niezije żyje nam. Stolat, stolat, niezije żyje nam. Jeszcze raz, niezije żyje nam. Stolat, stolat, stolat. Yay!
Happy birthday, Bacha! Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday! Birthday guys! San? Jaja! Uncle! Ay! Drink na! Uncle! Okay. Oh! Happy, Bacha! Happy birthday! More life! Good health! More! Bacha's birthday today! Stolat!
But you could drink too much of it, but
What is Moscato?
this is sour. No, you finish that one.
We are the
Oh! Happy birthday!
happy real stories, real laughter, perennial moments, Filipino food, road trips, van life, simple but good. Welcome to Benfam, this is our life, messy, funny, loving, full of light, cooking, parenting, caravan rides. Come join the journey, be part of our vibe. Benfam, you belong with us worldwide.
Ayan, good morning. Ay, good afternoon. Good afternoon ka, Benfam. Ayan, yun nga, sabi ko, andito na tayo sa bahay. Tapos na yung ating caravan trip for 2026. Another caravan trip na naman. Yun yung abangan nyo kung saan pupunta yung Benfam. But for now, we're going to... Where are we going, son?
Shopping?
Shopping. So today is our first shopping for 2026 kasi yun nga, dumating na tayo sa bahay, wala na tayong mga pagkain, mga konsumo. Hindi ko alam kung anong bibilhin. Basta number one bibilhin natin is yung milk. Wala na tayong milk, guys. So as you can see, ito yung laman nating ref. Yan. Ito yung mga tawag ito yung mga pinag-shopping natin doon sa caravan dati. So dinala natin dito mga old one. Yan. So wala na tayong milk, maliit, tunti na lang. So yan, samahan nyo kami another day, another vlog sa Benfam. Okay, dyan lang kayo mga ka-Benfam. So weather today is not good kasi yun nga, umuulan. So umuulan na naman siya, guys. Dati sobrang init, ngayon this is the weather here, guys. Oh. Basa-basa. Umuulan siya, grabe, ang lamig na naman, guys. So doon sa Victoria, merong caravan doon na flooding, yung caravan park, yung Lucky, hindi tayo doon, guys, hindi tayo napumunta ng Victoria kasi dito flooding din siya, guys. So andito na si Rusty. Si Rusty is there. Hi, Rusty. See you na ka, Benfam. See you. So si Adam tsaka si Mickey lang dito, tsaka yung in-laws ko dito naman. Pero si Mick, what happened?
Hello!
Pinakita niyo yung ngipin niya, guys, kasi tawag nun, kakakuha lang niya yung ngipin. So yun nga, guys, kami lang ni Daddy, ni Lucas at saka si Darius. Ayan. So yan, mamaya naman ka, Benfam. Update ko kayo mamaya, okay? It's raining. It's 22 degrees.
22.
This is the demolition house.
It's tight here.
Why do you want your house to be
Careful
in a
behind
hill?
the car.
Yeah, I see it behind me.
Like that.
So dito na pala tayo sa car, guys. So see you mamaya. Let's go!
Daddy, no, put that back.
Aldi. So yun ka, Benfam, we're here in Aldi. No, son. So after this one, we're going to Woolies. So ito yung mga supermarket dito, guys, sa Australia. Yeah. So usually bumibili kami sa Aldi. Kasi medyo cheaper kasi yung Aldi kaysa Woolies at saka Coles. So Aldi yan. So hapon na kasi kami nag-shopping. So it's better shopping early. Fresh pa yung mga Mahal ngayon yung it's very expensive today, the corn. No, son, don't do that.
Don't do that. Behave.
4.49 yung corn, mahal.
No.
Yan, expensive now. Mahal yung corn, mostly $3 lang that one.
There's corn.
Nice.
$3.49.
Yeah, this is $4.49. That's the one.
Ah, this one, yeah.
Yeah.
We're buying this one?
What's that? You want?
If nakaka-relate kayo sa buhay namin dito sa Australia, don't forget to subscribe para samahan niyo kami sa next adventures at real life moments.
Maybe some. Get some mushroom.
This back off.
Ta. So for now, ito yung pinamili natin, guys. So, wala pa yan. Batang paborito niya guys, yung chocolate bread. Ayan, chocolate bread. You like chocolate bread?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's chocolate.
This one also like chocolate bread.
Nobody can resist chocolate. Me, no.
So this is the one we buy guys.
Yeah, and we're
So
still
this
going.
not
Exactly.
finished yet.
So you know.
So how much do you think Daddy will pay, Dayos?
I think $350.
$350 I think, for 300 something.
Now look at
Dito sa Australia, kung may kids ka, talagang ramdam mo ang cost of living. Meat pa lang, malaki na agad ang gastos. Kaya importante, marunong ka mag-budget.
Fun, lahat mas masarap. Grocery run, o kaya sa camping van. Australia o Pista, tayong hand-in-hand. Them from Baguio, kwento ng pamilya. At tawag iiyak.
We will not be working in the Aldi.
the milk. The milk. You want milk? How many mukha they will get? One day, one. How many is it?
May makakampi lang. Sa parenting life, minsan nakakapagod. Pero sa ngiti ng anak, lahat ay napupunot. Minsan sa apak, minsan sa kalsada. Laging may kwento sa simpleng paglalakbay kasama ko.
Why not trolley in the Woolies?
I don't know, but 50-50.
Okay. So yun guys, 200. How much then? 267.
$267.62.
How much again?
$267.62.
Expensive, yeah?
Yeah.
In-
What do you mean? It's at least it's a good price for this much.
No, expensive.
Look. Show how much.
Nothing? Yeah. Like batcha? Soap mangga ka. So ayan guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Meat Master. So dito kami bumibili. Ayan. Ha? I don't know. For soap? So 187 guys, yung meat. So ayan guys, tapos na tayo nagbumili ng meat. So 187 yung meat, yung sa Aldi kanina nasa 267. So after this one, Woolies, ayan. Woolies, ayan. So pumunta muna sila sa toilet kasi yun si Lucas gusto na muna mag toilet, jingle. So besok, ayan. Yun nga, sabi ko sa Aldi, magkano hamas in Aldi? Ayan, 200, we say 269, ayan. So ano lang yan, walang meat. So pag may meat, merong 100. So sa meat naman guys, 188. So a family of 6, yan. So mostly yung ano natin, family of 6. We have 4 kids. Yung konsumo natin per week, kasama na yung mga meat, nasa ano siguro, we say 550. Yan. Here in Australia. Yan. 1350. Nice. Give me. Busy si Daddy.
By 20 kilos.
So, ano siya guys, half price. Nasa 27, 1350. Yan.
That's right. That's right.
This is the good thing here in Australia kasi meron silang mga
White sauce.
half price. Ayan.
White sauce.
Jasmine rice. It was 27 and now it's 1350. How many kilos?
5 kilos.
5 kilos. How much in peso that 1350?
500.
500 pesos.
500.
Hey, I
500 for
Yeah.
5 kilos. Grabe guys no.
You buy the sauce for
I'm so smart.
the
Oyster sauce.
for those?
How many Mr. buy this rice?
Mr. Dad. It's Daddy.
4 kilos. Bumili si Mr. ng
He's
ano,
not Mr. He's Daddy.
my husband 4 kilos. Kasi ano siya, 27 and 1350.
Maui. Mr. Maui.
Yan o. Dayos!
What?
Hi. So yan, this is our last. So last natin dito sa Woolies. Magbayad na naman si Mr. Magkano naman yung babayaran niya ngayon guys? Guys. No, Tam.
And fold this.
So yan guys, tapos na yung ating shopping for 2026. So yung how much lahat yung total?
Popcorn.
I don't have. So
No, you
sa Woolies nasa 170. We don't have 170.
popcorn.
Pagod na kami. Gutom pa. Tapos ayaw pa umandar ng sasakyan. Ganito talaga minsan, hindi lahat perfect.
He wants to eat the dirty guys, so let him eat. Ito naman yung car namin
working.
guys. Oh my god. Ito na naman problema yung car namin guys. Hindi nag-working yung battery. Oh, I hope maka-analyze tayo guys.
Hey, it's good exercise.
Buti na lang, after ilang try, nakauwi din kami.
Oh my god. Thank you Lord.
I want to get it.
Oh, I don't like this car.
I want to get
It's battery.
So yan guys, we're back home. So yun nga kanina, pumunta pala tayo sa battery ng car. So bumili pala si Mr. ng battery saglit, tapos nandito na tayo sa bahay. So ito yung pinamili natin. And
From caravan life, back to normal life. Hindi man laging exciting, pero ito ang totoong buhay. Work, school, bills, grocery, birthdays, car problems. Pero basta magkakasama, okay na. Dito sa BEMFAM, pamilya mo na rin kami. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood at nakasupport sa BEMFAM. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe na para masamahan mo pa kami sa next vlogs namin. Salamat sa panonood!
This is a journey.